to my channel. Yes, I'm here to share with you guys something brand new. Now, I ended up finding these Kit Kat bars at Walmart today. They are the churro ones, and I knew about them, but I didn't know they were gonna hit the stores right away. So we're gonna do a taste test of the Kit Kat churros. My son absolutely loves churros, so he is super excited to try this. And then I ended up finding Hershey candy, and it is the popping candy. So it's white cream with sprinkles in it. I don't know if it's got like the Pop Rocks in it. I know Oreos made something like this, so we're gonna see how this taste tests. So let's go ahead and give it a try and see what our opinion is on these two candies today. Okay, so now we're gonna try, you don't wanna try the churro Kit Kats?
Oh, whoa.
So now we're gonna try the churro Kit Kats and the Hershey's. So Ben wants to try the churro one, so we're gonna try the churro ones first. So I got these at Walmart today. Okay, so,
Mama, what do you smell?
It.
What do you smell?
I can smell like.
It smells like the same as your pretzel video. We just did.
It smells like I can smell the wafer, but I'm like, it has like no. It's. I don't know what to tell you.
They smell the same. This is a video from a different video we just did. Watch the pretzel video.
Okay, try it.
That's a weird taste. I don't taste anything. I don't taste anything.
It's got a weird taste. It's not a bad taste, but it's not a great taste.
I don't really have that much flavor.
It's not very strong. Churros so bland. I mean,
I don't like that.
we know what churros taste like. It's
they're good.
I mean, it's like a pastry with like cinnamon sugar on it, but I don't taste that kind. I don't know. Kind of disappointed in this one. I was excited, but
that one.
Would you buy this again?
No.
No. No. I can't even tell you what it tastes like. It's
I'll
like
buy the pretzels.
it's so bland. It's so bland. Okay. Now we're gonna try the Hershey popping candy. So I think this is like a vanilla candy.
White Pop Rocks.
With like Pop Rocks in it.
You should get these at like firework time.
So
whoa, that looks so cool.
yeah, you can see it through the light. It's so thin. Okay.
Whoa.
Charlotte, you want to try one of these?
Okay, this is my first time trying chocolate.
So this is white chocolate.
I'ma hate this.
Hold on. Here, try that one.
We're going to eat this one. Ew!
No. No. Upstairs. What do you think?
Good.
You like it? Ben spit it out. You don't like it?
Yep. I like it.
But you only took one bite. So it says it's a white cream. A white cream with sprinkles and popping candy. So it's good. I'm gonna say it's good. The white cream, I don't know if it's white chocolate, I don't know, but it's like a white cream, so it kind of tastes like a vanilla. And then you can feel that Pop Rocks feel in your mouth, but it's not as strong. You're done eating it? But it's not as strong in your mouth like
real Pop Rocks.
Like real Pop Rocks. I mean, it's very bland, it's very short. When you were biting it down, you could hear like the crunch, but it's not like that whole entire Pop Rocks feel. But I don't know, it's alright. Would I buy it again?
No.
No, I actually would probably not. So
probably Charlotte would probably buy it.
No, she barely even, I mean, she just ate just this little bit. So she barely ate it. You want to try the rest of it?
I'm gonna try all of it.
Well, eat that one first. But
guys,
hold on, Ben, hold on. So these are what we just gave it a try. I didn't know the Popping Rocks one came out, but not a big fan of these. That's all I'm gonna say. I know our neighbors will probably want to try these. They always like taste testing things that we try, but give it a try. Let me know what you guys think. I know everybody has different opinions, but
and
I know
everybody go see like the pretzel video.
Yeah. But I don't know. I'm just kind of disappointed in those. It's not an item that I'll really, really crave or I need to have more. But if you guys enjoy this video, please let us know by giving this video a
chocolate thumbs up.
Chocolate thumbs up.
Chocolate thumbs up.
Chocolate thumbs up. And we will see you guys next time. See you guys later. Bye-bye.